Good day, class. We are here again for a brand new lesson entitled Beauty Care and Wellness Services, Legal Basis, Trends, and Tools. For the content standard, demonstrate an understanding of the concepts of beauty care and wellness services. For the performance standard, at the end of the lesson, the learners perform hand spa services following safety precautions. For the learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to 1. Discuss the legal basis in beauty care and wellness services. 2. Identify trends, issues, and challenges in beauty care and wellness services. 3. Identify the tools, implements, materials, and equipment in beauty care and wellness services, its uses and proper maintenance. Before we start, let us answer this question. What makes a successful salon? What do you notice about these salons? What might be the secrets to their success? For the content vocabulary, beauty care materials refers to cosmetics and supplies that are used up and need to be replenished regularly. Examples include alcohol and sanitizer, which are used for manicures, pedicures, and hand and foot spas. Beauty care tools are durable, permanent, and handheld items used in providing beauty care services. These tools, also known as implements, include cuticle pushers, nippers, nail cutters, and brushes. Beauty care equipment refers to devices and tools for enhancing hand health, massage, facial treatments, hair care, and nail care. Examples include hair spa steamers, foot spa machines, hand spa machines, and nail implement sterilizers. Now let us discuss RA 7877, Trends, Issues, and Challenges in Beauty Care and Wellness Services. Republic Act No. 7877, or the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995, makes sexual harassment illegal in workplaces, schools, and training areas. It protects people from those in power who demand or request sexual favors. The law promotes respect, equality, and safety in all professional and learning environments. It reminds everyone to act with integrity and maintain proper conduct at all times. Why is RA 7877 important in beauty care? First, promotes respect and professionalism in the salon, protects workers and clients from harassment, builds trust and integrity in the beauty care industry. If you were in this scenario, what will you do? Situation 1. You want to attend TESTA training but need permission from your boss. How can you ask properly? Situation 2. A client comes in drunk for a full body massage. What should you do? Situation 3. You forgot to rinse a hair rebonding solution and damaged a client's hair. What is the right action to take? Now, let's move on to the trends, issues, and challenges in the beauty care and wellness industry. Many salons face difficulty hiring skilled staff because qualified professionals are limited. There is also a lack of proper training and certification, which affects service quality and customer trust. Businesses must ensure safe and high-quality products, work hard to maintain customer loyalty, and find ways to sustain steady income in a competitive market. Another set of challenges includes motivating and training salon workers to keep their skills and attitudes professional. Salon owners must also provide fair compensation to maintain employee satisfaction and loyalty. Regularly updating tools, equipment, and services is essential to meet modern trends and client expectations. In addition, they must learn to handle customer complaints effectively and manage large capital requirements to keep the business running smoothly and successfully. In nail care, using the right tools, equipment, and materials ensures safety and quality service. Equipment provides comfort, tools give precision, and materials maintain cleanliness and beauty. The following are the equipment, tools, and materials we used in nail care services. Equipment. These are the items that are permanent, durable, and intended for a particular task and function. Manicurist chair, an adjustable upholstered seat fitted over a metal chrome. A manicure table with adjustable lamp is a salon furniture designed for giving manicures comfortably. It has a laminated plastic surface and a drawer for organizing materials. Electric nail dryer. It shortens the length of time necessary for the client's nails to dry. Hand spa machine is an electronic machine that is used for soaking, bathing, and massaging the hands during a hand spa. Hand spa stool, used to elevate patrons' feet during foot spa or in providing pedicure. Foot spa machine is an electronic machine used for soaking, bathing, and massaging the feet during a foot spa. Sterilizer. It is a machine used in sterilizing metal implements by killing microorganisms. Now, let's move on to tools. These are implements that are durable, handheld, and easy to use. Supply tray is a tray used to hold cosmetics for nail care. Disinfection container. It has a cover provided to prevent contamination of the solution when it is not in use. Manicure pillow. It is a hand cushion that keeps the hands of clients steady and relaxed. Finger bowl. It is used for soaking the client's finger in warm water and antibacterial soap. It is made from plastic or glass. Foot spa basin. A large rectangular container used for bathing and soaking the feet when giving a pedicure. Sanitized wipe container. It will hold clean absorbent cotton or lint-free wipes. Tweezers. Used for picking up small objects. It is also used to lift small bits of cuticle from the nail. Nail brush, a handy brush with firm bristles used for scrubbing and cleaning the fingernails and toenails. Nail buffer. It is used for smoothing and polishing the nails, giving it a consistent and shiny look. Nail cutter, fingernail clippers, nail trimmer. Metal tool used to trim fingernails and toenails. Orange wood stick, a multifunctional implement used to push back cuticles or in removing excess nail polish. Cuticle nail pusher, a tool that is used for loosening and pushing back the cuticles of the nails. Cuticle scissors, used to cut stubborn cuticles. Metal nail file. It is used in shaping the nail and has two sides. The first side is coarse side that used to shape the free edge of the nail, while the other side is used to bevel the nail. Cuticle nipper, used to trim excess cuticle or cut stubborn cuticles. Pumice stone. It is also a foot spa tool used to remove dry, annoying skin and calluses. Toe separators. It is placed between toes and used before applying the nail polish to prevent smudging. Foot file. It is an implement with two sides. The rough side is used to remove calluses, while the fine side is used to smoothen the feet. Callus remover. It is used to remove or take off calluses and corns. Trolley. It is a wheeled cart. It is pushed by the hand and used to hold and transfer from one place to another the tools used in manicure and pedicure. Now, let's have materials. These are supplies and cosmetics that are consumables and replaceable. First aid kit. In case of minor injury, it is a collection of supplies to be used in giving first aid to the client. Garbage bins or bags, used to contain rubbish to keep the place clean. It is a plastic disposable bag. Plastic spatula. It is used to remove the cosmetics from the container. Cotton or cotton balls. It is a soft white fiber used for dubbing or cleaning the nails. It is also used in removing nail polish. Hand towel. It is used to dry the client's hand after soaking in the finger bowl. Emery board. A wooden, sandpaper-like stick with a fine and coarse texture. It is used in giving the nails a proper shape. It is best to use in soft and fragile nails. Cuticle remover. It is used to soften the cuticles and prepare them to be cleaned and cut. Nail polish remover or acetone. It contains an organic solvent that helps to dissolve the old nail polish. Antibacterial soap, an antibacterial agent that helps the client's hand to be sanitized. Lotion of hand cream. It is intended to prevent and correct brittle and dry skin. Cuticle oil. It helps to lubricate and soften the nails to prevent hanging and adds finishing touch to the manicure. Nail bleach. It helps the nails to eliminate yellow stains. Solvent. It is a substance that is used to thin out the nail polish when it becomes thick. Nail whitener. It is applied in the nail to make it appear whiter. Assorted colored nail polish or nail lacquers. It is applied on fingernails and toenails to decorate and to protect the nails. It can also make the nails appear glossy. Base coat. It helps to prepare the nail surface for enamel application, a primer application that gives quality grip to enamel and prevent it from chipping. Nail hardener. It is applied before applying the base coat to prevent splitting and peeling of the nail, but it is optional. Top coat or sealer. A colorless polish that helps longer wearing of nail polish and prevent enamel chipping. Quick dry or liquid nail dry. It helps rapid drying of nail polish and prevents it from getting dull. Foot blush. It is used to whisk away dead skin cells, deodorizes and soften the feet, giving it a pinkish glow after the application. Foot soak. It is used to relax, energize, soothe and deodorize the feet. Foot scrub. It is used to keep the feet soft and moisturized. Alcohol. It is a colorless substance used to prevent the spread of microorganisms on surfaces and skin. Benzalkonium chloride. It is used as surface disinfectant and topical antiseptic. Tools and equipment for skin and facial care. In facial care services, products like facial cleanser, toner, moisturizer, mask, facial pack, and lotion are used to cleanse, nourish, and refresh the skin. Tools such as the blackhead remover, jade roller, and facial steamer help in deep cleaning, improving blood circulation, and enhancing product absorption for healthy, glowing skin. Tools and equipment for hair care. In hair care services, tools like the hair dryer, hair steamer, hair curler, hair straightener, hair rollers, and perm rods are used to style and treat different hair types. Products such as shampoo, conditioner, and hair serum help cleanse, nourish, and protect the hair, keeping it smooth, healthy, and manageable. Let's have sanitation and maintenance tips. Read and follow the instruction guide for each tool. Sterilize tools before and after use. Wipe and sanitize electrical tools. Check wiring to prevent electrical hazards. Store chemicals properly and label them clearly. It's quiz time. Try to answer the following questions. What law protects workers from sexual harassment? Which tool sterilizes nail implements? What keeps customers returning to a salon? What is used to clean the face? Why is motivation important for workers? Here are the answer key. Republic Act No. 7877, Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. Nail implement sterilizer. Good quality service and customer satisfaction. Facial cleanser. It encourages employees to perform better and stay dedicated to their work. Always remember, true beauty begins when we value cleanliness, professionalism, and respect for others.